Sarah and her friend Allie decided to spend a whole day in nature. Early in the morning, they went to a large mountain. The air was fresh and cool, and the morning breeze was gentle on their faces. Sarah said, "How majestic this mountain is." After a bit of hiking, they reached a river. The water of the river was calm and clear, and Allie said, "Look, Sarah. We can jump across these rocks to get to the other side of the river." After crossing the river, they arrived at a lush forest. The sounds of birds and the rustling of leaves under their feet filled the forest with life. Allie said to Sarah, "Let's have lunch in this beautiful forest." In the afternoon, they headed towards a serene lake. The lake was so still and calm that it reflected the mountains and trees like a mirror. Sarah said, "This lake is so peaceful. I wish I could stay here forever." At the end of the day, they visited a waterfall. The powerful sound of the water cascading from a great height filled the air. Allie exclaimed, "What an amazing view!" Mountain, mountain. Air, air. Hiking, hiking. River, river. Forest, forest. Lake, lake. Waterfall, waterfall. Rocks, rocks.